Hello and welcome to our practical guide to strategic legal spend management initiatives. Today we'll talk about relationship management and business reviews. My name is Sylvia Hodges-Silverstein and I'm talking with Matt Todd. Matt, thank you for taking the time to talk about these two critical areas. Could you talk a little bit more about why you see relationship management as so important?
Certainly, Sylvia, and it's great to be with you today. The interaction between outside counsel and client don't have to be a zero-sum game. Clients can obtain increasing value for their spend and achieve better, faster results, while outside counsel can continue to generate the margins necessary to sustain their business. Critical to this is an effective two-way relationship. For key outside counsel relationships, say the top 10 firms by spend, we recommend to our clients a quarterly or semi-annual business review. In preparation for the review, which should be an in-person meeting, preferably at the client's office, we recommend working with the firm to pull together a 1 or 2 page summary of all aspects of the relationship, good and bad. This should not just be a review of the last quarter and areas for improvement, but rather it should also include opportunities to enhance and grow the relationship.
Matt, could you talk us through some of the information you suggest should be included in the quarterly business review or QBR?
Sure. The QBR report provides a framework for the conversation and should describe the key performance indicators, importantly, from each party's point of view. Some key indicators from the law firm point of view are overall spend and the direction in which it's trending, and the use of non-hourly arrangements. We want to look at where the firm sits in terms of percentage of spend as compared to other firms. We suggest looking at which offices or key practice areas are not being used by the client, which could be. This is an important area to review to ensure the relationship continues to grow and can be a great takeaway for the firm relationship partners. Some key indicators from the legal department's point of view are billing hygiene. How well is the firm adhering to the billing guidelines? Comparative rates, which can be particularly useful in the run-up to rate renegotiations. Long-running or expensive matters, what can we do to bring them to a close? Leverage and timekeeper count, how many are being used and in what proportion? We might also look at risk, security, diversity. How well is the firm complying with key non-legal areas of importance to the client? And timekeeper and overall performance, who is working well and who are there issues with? Preferably, that should come with some real feedback and concrete examples. Importantly, we suggest the report being presented live, in other words, as an interactive dashboard, rather than a static PowerPoint slide. In that way, areas that pique interest can be drilled into and explanations given, rather than having to have a second meeting.
Well, thank you very much, Matt. To learn more about legal spend management, please download the primer at buyinglegal.com/LSM. Thank you very much for listening.